Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So guys, this video is gonna be complete on English. So I've just planned to test a vlog in English, probably like 2-3 vlogs. And today we are heading to Shakti's home. So we're gonna do a small modification in his PC. So I just planned to change his SSD in his PC. So we're just planning to do that. So I'll just head to Shakti's home, give you some shots. So let's go. Right now we are in Walaja, so we have not yet gone to Shakti's home. We have a legendary mission over here. So this is a legendary mission, but what the problem right now is it's got overheated. So we are just pushing it for a distance. That's the problem with this machine. And it's if you want to know more about that machine, check out my previous vlog. So you'll know more about this legendary piece of machine over there. You will get to know more about it. Take it for a few distance and then start it up. It will start up. Engine will get cooled easily. So we'll just start it up and we'll head out to Shakti's home. Yes, finally we have reached Shakti's home and we just pushed this thing all the way till Shakti's home, which I think we just pushed it for around 200 to 300 meters. This actually it's not overheating. Fuel got over, so we are out of petrol, so we're gonna call Shakti right now and we'll just go and get some fuel for this thing, for this bloody thing, and then we'll just go inside, do some work in his PC. So we'll just go inside, just first call him and then go inside. Guys, we have Shakti here and we have Sridhar over there, and he disappointed me right now. So he said
He said today we are gonna build PC, but tomorrow we are doing it.
Yeah, we are gonna build PC tomorrow, not today. So the plan of PC building is cancelled today, and you can even see the PC build vlog on his channel. Just a modification, upgrade.
HRN Mark 2.
Yeah, just a little bit of upgrade. So planning to do some gaming right now.
Yeah man, 4 o'clock live.
Yeah, starting 3 o'clock. I want to download some games.
3 o'clock live, so probably we'll go live right now because it's 2:58.
Yeah.
In just 2 minutes we'll be in live.
And sleepy fellow need to come.
Surya needs to come, so if he comes we will go on a live and just we are just this is our setup.
This is our current setup. I have ordered new table. We are gonna change it.
Not a permanent one, just a temporary one. So we'll just wait for Surya or we'll just do some other stuff and then I'll see you guys. Okay guys, right now we are heading towards Surya's home. So we're gonna just get a controller from him. So we're gonna play 3 members WWE, but we don't have 3 controllers. We have only a single controller and
Dual controller, man.
dual controller. So one is with Surya, so we're gonna get that controller. So we're just heading to Surya's home to get that controller. I'll just go to him and meet you guys. Thank you. Okay guys, we got the controller from Surya. So we have Surya.
You speaking English in Tamil Nadu.
So we'll just go ahead to Shakti's home right now. We got the controller and Surya is suffering from very big headache, it seems.
When you speak English in front of Tamil guy, you fuck.
Okay guys, right now we have come to the fuel station. So Sridhar is over there filling fuel, and so we'll just get the fuel and then drop it up in his machine, that piece of thing, and then we'll just fly off to our home. Because it's already 5:30, I just plan to leave here by 5. but I think it's 5:30 right now, so it took half an hour of time. So we'll just go to Shaki's home, fill up the fuel. Yeah, Steve there is on his way, so we'll just fill up the fuel and live to the home. Right now we are fueled up and we are set to leave Shakti's home. Bye da. Bye. So Steve there is just checking his bike to start up because just now he has put his fuel, and this is like one piece of legendary machine. Yeah, piece of legendary machine. So just start it up and we will leave to home. Okay guys, I'm back home and that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the bell button to be always notified. And I've just planned to vlog in English probably for 3 to 4 vlogs, or if possible I'll just continue in English, or just leave your opinion. So should I make the vlogs or videos in English or in Tamil? So I'll just get a clarification on it. So bye bye guys, and that's it for this video, and peace. Bye.